Okay, so we're in Chef Vincent. Chef Vincent.
Chef Vincent, you did that. All right, 500 degree oven. Sal, you see that? Salvatore, 500 degrees. Over here we have some corn. All right, now I'm gonna give away our secret here for corn. It's got a little butter. I rolled it in, and some cream, and the magic ingredient, a little sugar. But you don't really need sugar for this corn because it is naturally sweet. But we put a little bit just for fun. All right, we got that going right in there. And we'll put a lid over it. Just like that. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.